gotta slide this all the way down.
Dad basically had the point.
Okay, we're getting out. Slide this cross piece on. Stop. Okay, now that we got this front curved piece put in, we got to put the screws in, and they got the locking head to lock in that hole here at the top, and it's got a locking washer or locking nut. A piece like this where it's curved on both ends, and it had to slide on about that far. You can't slide it all the way on one side or you'll never get the other side on. You got to just barely get it on, both sides on, and try to pull them in together. Okay. Here, take this. That's gonna be for this side. So now we have to install the front support. We have to slide it on vertically and then we'll lay it flat. We're going to put on the next long piece and bolt the two long pieces together.
Ew. Going in the door.
No, it ain't.
Ah!
Magic. Oh. Okay, we got that side down. Up and down pieces. Right one so the cleats are on the outside, and no, don't come that far. Right there. Install the rear bar, which is the one that slides over the ends. I put the end bar on. Side.
It just badly fits.
No.
It's not even lined up, dude. What are you doing?
It's a
Ah!
the struggle.
It's almost as difficult as raising a child.
Go ahead and tighten it up. You got it even on both sides? Got it?
Yeah, I think so.
Push it over, Amber. Let's move that cardboard.
Keep going, Kayla.
Okay, as far as you can go.
I know. My son will go in my head. Me neither.
Oh.
Dad basically had the point.
Okay, we're getting all everything tightened up. Finishing touches.
So this here is the finished product. This bar right here, we could take this off to put the four-wheeler in or any other big objects.
So you think this is a jungle gym?
Swing, child, swing.
It is wobbly a little bit. But it says it'll hold 800 pounds.
Yep. Why don't we test both of us? Do we want to? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and share with all your friends, and comment down below what you thought of us being monkeys and building this.
Y'all did a good job.
Yeah. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that post notification. Yeah.